Hey up everybody, it's Gardening with Ben. In today's video we're going to be looking at what's in the Homegrown Kitchen Magazine. Now this is a brand new magazine for this year, so I've never had it before, so it's going to be a worthy read and see what we can do with it. Again, 3 packets of seeds in it, 10 free packets, which enticed me to get it because I always love seeds. You never have enough seeds. And yeah, I know we've got seeds in the other 2 magazines. If you've not watched them ones, go and check them out. It's what's in the Grow Your Own magazine and what's in the Kitchen Garden magazine. So yeah, 3 magazines this month. So we're going to have a look what's inside it. Obviously, like I said, this is new to me and I'm seeing what seeds are in it as you're seeing it. So yeah, let's have a look what's in here. So Mr. Fothergill seeds again. So a great variety to grow and always worth it. So in this magazine we have got Carrot Amsterdam variety. So yeah, I've never heard of that variety, so we'll give that a try. So we've got quite a few packets of carrots this year. We've got some Rocket, which we're going to give a try this year. Another great one for salads. We've got some Basil lettuce leaf. So again, another great thing for our herb patch area, which I'll be looking forward to this year and giving a try. I'm going to have a nice little herb garden at the top of my plot and see how well we get on. We've got some parsley, Giant of Italy. So another one for our herb area. We have got the cauliflower Dicilia. Again, like I said, this is the black variety of cauliflower, so this grew better in my allotment than the white variety, so I'm happy we've got some of these. Obviously we've got some in the other magazine, so we've got plenty of seeds to try and germinate and hopefully get a good crop of cauliflower this year down at the plot. I didn't grow any last year, so I've not grown any for a few years actually, so I'll be happy to try cauliflower again this year and see how well we get on. Next up we have got beetroot, so another great variety. And yeah, obviously we had beetroot in the other 2 magazines, but beetroot is a great thing for sticking in between crops, filling gaps in. And yeah, if you grow them on sow a few every few months, you'll be harvesting them all summer and getting plenty out of them. So lots of great seeds in there. Then we've got some Brussels sprouts, everybody's favourite. I've not grown Brussels sprouts for absolute years. Must be about 15 years, so I might give them a try and see how well we get on. Not my favourite vegetable, but we'll give them a try and see what happens. Next up we have got spinach, so make me big and strong like Popeye, and yeah, another one to add in between crops and fill gaps in. So we're getting some great seeds this year. And then we've got some parsnip. We obviously got some in the other packet, but yeah, I'm going to try parsnips this year. I've never grown parsnips and I want to give them a try because they're really tasty. And you harvest parsnips after the first couple of frosts because that's what adds the flavour and the sweetness to the parsnips, and you get some great taste from parsnips, and they'll be great in my air fryer, so that'll be good, something good to grow. And then we've got some lettuce, some more lettuce. So yeah, plenty of lettuce to grow this year at my allotment. It always does well, and the thing is about lettuce is not growing too many at once because they all seem ready at the same time and they can soon go to seed if you're not careful. So only grow a few lettuce at a time and sow a few every couple of months and you'll be having lettuce all the way through summer. So that's our little advice. So yeah, it's a new magazine, Homegrown Kitchen. We'll be giving that a try. I'm happy with the seeds, what we've got with that one. I'll be giving it a good read. Let's have a quick gander what's in it and see what it's about. So I think this one's more about it giving you tips and advice on what to grow, and it also tells you how to cook them as well. So I'm not very good at cooking, so that'll be something that I can learn on what to do. So it tells me how to cook my parsnips. So yeah, that's good. So we'll be able to look up the parsnip, grow the parsnips, and then look up how to cook them and hopefully get some delicious food as well. So yeah, these are the purple cauliflowers that I grew in the past. They grew a lot better than the white varieties in my allotment. So that is why I'm happy that we've got this variety this year. So yeah, some great reading there. So I'll be reading that tonight and seeing how well it is. So excellent magazine, looks great, and give it a try and see what you think to it. So if you've not watched the other two videos on what's in the Kitchen Garden magazine and the Grow Your Own magazine, go and check them ones out on my videos. And until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening.